Which one? Hello? Ay, bakit? Ay, nasa yung Christmas tree headband. Ay, Merry Christmas. Ah, baka iniwan.
Well, you didn't want, kasi I knew you didn't want, you don't like I'll bring something and then you don't want to wear something Christmassy on your hair.
Hello?
Like, you know.
Ayoko, hindi ko naintindihan sinasabi mo. Hello guys. Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi kung nasan man kayo. And welcome back to our vlog. Yeah. And anong gagawin namin? So it's almost Christmas. It's 23rd of December. And this is our first time we're gonna spend our Christmas in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
Not really the first time.
Oh, yeah, actually, the 2017 pala, nandito kami, nung baby pa si Alec. Yeah. She was 3 months old when the first time we spent the Christmas here.
Yeah, but we're talking about now.
Yeah, and now, we're gonna spend Christmas here in the Netherlands.
And that's already like a long time when I was a baby.
Yeah.
So that's...
But, we're going to a different part of the Netherlands. We decide to book a hotel for 4 days, I think, something like that.
3 hours.
Because that place, they have the famous Christmas market in the Netherlands. They said it's the biggest and it's quite unique Christmas market. So we're so excited to see it. Ano?
Kasi I'm doing that I do, you know, that language thing.
So yun na nga. So, samahan nyo kami. And we will show you or tour you kung ano ang nasa... Actually, we've been in Valkenburg before. Anong pangalan? Valkenburg. Basta kayo na mag-adjust, guys. Napunta namin doon one time. We stopped over there for 1 night or 2 nights. I'm not sure. So, doon kami. Is it south or north, Han? So, it's south. South of the Netherlands. Doon kami papunta sa south. And yes, later guys.
A few moments later.
Nakadating na kami dito. Grabe. So steep the stair, guys. But, no, Alec, open. But, okay, from here, you can see there is this window. We have this. We have microwave.
I have my coffee machine.
Coffee machine.
I have banyo.
Okay, you explain.
I have my banyo for 2 persons.
There's this 2 sink. There's chair. Banyo is nice.
I want to explain the other
Okay, all the other room.
Okay, so like this is the room because there's one more room. But
There's
where's the light here?
Don't. Yan. And
Don't
this
bang.
one, there's a second room.
There's the second room. This one is big. It has 2 beds.
This is my room.
Yes, look at that. I like you sleep there. There's this side. And they have, look at the guy. Teka lang. Look, guys, what is our view? Yung ruined castle. There. It's nice.
But there's something else I need to show you. Mr. Cactus.
Mr. Cat.
Hello.
And there's also bin there. Wow. I don't know. Wait, you can wash your hand. This is nice, big. And did she explain to you where is the entrance? Look at the view. Ito yung pinuntahan namin 2 years ago. This is the ruined castle. And there is also some restaurant there. Ganda.
A few moments later.
And our holiday starts. So I'm having glue wine. Alec is having Chocomel.
I'm reading my book.
Albert has Priesty. Hindi pa siya pwedeng uminom kasi ililipat pa namin yung parking yung kotse. Just have some snack. And now we're gonna go back to get our car kasi nga ang mahal ng parking doon. Kaya mag-ikot kami rito sa city. And ang ganda, ang daming Christmas decoration. Grabe. So nakakatawa. So I drink my first glue wine. And then now we're gonna go, I think, Action. We're checking Action. Look at the teddy bear. Ganda ng bahay, oh. So nakapag-park na kami. Ngayon naglalakad kami dito, oh. Papunta ulit dun sa hotel. Kasi nga, yun lang yung isang medyo disadvantage dito sa Valkenburg is walang masyadong parking. most of the hotel o yung B&B nila, wala silang parking. So, meron parking medyo malayo. Kailangan namin maglakad ng parang 11 minutes. Oh. Okay ka pa?
No.
Nakita nyo may entrance yan. Medyo madilim na kasi yung bundok na yan. Yung loob niya, nandiyan ang Christmas market.
A few moments later.
So, dito kami kumain ng dinner sa Spanish restaurant. And ito yung hotel namin, Balkan Hall. Meron din silang restaurant kaso fully booked sila. And bukas dito kami sa kabila.
Next day.
We're having breakfast. Look at this. Oh, nice. So we're gonna have breakfast. This is other breakfast. Just light. Not bad. Bread. And no bacon. Oh, they have bacon. That small bacon. Okay, you can get. Walang ilaw. Ayun. Tapos another stair. Kailangan ko. Diba? Pero okay lang kasi na-exercise ka na, tapos malawang naman yung apartment namin, 2 bedroom.
Yeah, it's like a small mini boat. Ah, it's moving.
Grabe.
A few moments later.
Ito na kami sa Christmas market. Itong Christmas market, this one, it's inside the cave. So makikita nyo yung bundok. Nasa loob din yung Christmas market. Ito mga socks na to, gawa daw dito sa height na to. So, what is the difference?
15 for 3 pairs.
Okay, do you want one?
No, it's for you. Feel it, Mona. Put your hand inside.
Oh, it's so warm. Ay, ang mahal. Ay. It, bruje with hot dog. Kasi after namin umuulan, no? Ayun yung dalawa. After namin dun sa Christmas market, kakapagod. Paakyat kasi kami. Mayroon pang isang cave. Na-check namin kung open sila bukas. Kasi tomorrow is a Christmas day. Most of the shop, restaurant is closed. Hingal ako. Grabe. Layo. So dito, si Albert lang nakapayong. Kasi masisira lang. So far so good. Nice, nag-enjoy yung bata batuta even though it's cold. Mamaya na nga lang. Lamig. I don't know, it's like Christmas. Like right. So sa loob din siya ng bundok. We'll check the price. Hingal.